Alright guys, so we're back at it. This time making chatbots. Chatbots are actually pretty easy to make. I don't really want to explain too much right here, so let's just jump right into the computer. I'm going to make a chatbot, and at the end of this video, you're actually going to be able to go through the chatbot. So let's get to it. So what I had for one of my chatbots was claim a free training. We're going to change this text to instead, we're going to just keep it claim your free training now. Right? So when creating a chatbot, what we're doing right now is we're just creating the landing page. So once they've actually gone to this page and click get started, they can actually go about, let's change this to actually send to Messenger. There we go. It actually looks a lot better. And the color's a little bit off. Because this is, so let's change the background color. Yeah, that is white. Alright, so we're not going to use show description. We are going to add an image. Yeah, I like that a lot better. There we go. So what we've done is we've added a logo in here. And yeah, so all we have to do now is adjust the thank you page. So we have thank you, open the Messenger app to claim your book. We're just going to say, instead, we're not going to add an image here. Let's change this to app to claim your training. Right? And bam. That's how it's going to look. So let's set up this opt-in action. So when you are creating a chatbot, you have the basic steps of going through setting up your landing page, your thank you page, and then your opt-in action. The opt-in action is pretty simple. All you have to do is, let's cancel. Let's press save. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change the opt-in message, just because it needs to be, not so uniform with the way every single opt-in message is. So we can stick with, the welcome first name, but let's change the rest of it. What I'm going to do is we're actually going to delete this. Right, so we have these two, and we can do the gallery. So what I'm going to do here is actually I'm going to connect this to the multiple different pages I have. So if we go to the YouTube page, we're going to open website URL. So we're making this one subscribe on YouTube. Now that we have the image uploaded, let's move on to the next one. So we're gonna change the button, change the link from YouTube to LinkedIn. We're gonna change it to connect on LinkedIn. Upload the photo. Actually, if you want to, you can make your images either vertical or horizontal. I'm making sure that they're horizontal. So you just need to make sure that you're choosing the one that you actually want. So this is how you change it to vertical, and then this is how you change it to horizontal. But they all, so you can see that they're all changing, right? And if we go back, they're all the same. So you need to just make sure that you're choosing the one that you actually want to be focused on. Alright, so this is pretty much it. I mean, it's pretty basic, guys. So you see, you have your opt-in message. Hey, first name, glad you are interested in learning more about Facebook advertising and chatbots. Check out some of the options below to claim your training. I'm actually going to do one extra step just to make it look a little bit I'm going to add a 3-second typing. It'll just make it look a little bit more authentic, give it more of that human feel. As you can see, we have all the forms of social media here, and then add the chatbot training in last. So, but that's going to be it for this training. The only thing left to do is to press publish. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that training. I'm going to be posting some more video content about chatbots, just because I recorded a lot of stuff about it. Different ways of actually how to get people to reply and how these are actually used for businesses to actually generate revenue. So, with that being said, don't forget to like this video, and if you have any questions, comment below. There should be some extra training in the description, and yeah, that's it. See you guys next time.